Alright, let's talk about the combination sum for. So you are given an array of distinct integer nums and a target integer target. So return a number of possible combination that add to a target. So in this question, I'm going to use recursion. And in the first video, in the first example, I'm going to use recursion without memorize. So this will be easy. Like you traverse every single element in the array, and then if a target is equal to 0, at some point you just have to return 1, or return the number of the counts, right? And then this will be it, right? So I'm going to just do this really quickly, just for example. So I'm just say permutation, and I'm passing the nums, passing the target. So I'm going to say return permutation nums target, right? So I will have a for loop to traverse every single one of them in the nums array. And I need to know the count for this current iteration. So count plus equal. And target will become target minus num size, right? And I will just return target, return counts, right? And when you use a recursion solution, right, you have to know when is the base case. The base case is depending on target, right? So target is actually equal to 0. You return 1, right? You find out the 1 method. So if the target is actually equal to it's less than 0, to be honest, you return 0. And this will be a pretty easy recursion solution. So let me run it. And so here we go. So if I submit it, it's going to be TLE for sure. TLE for sure. So I'm not going to wait for this. And without the TLE, you have to use the integer array to keep storing the current target solution. So in array dp. So dp is actually based on the target plus 1. So the reason why I use plus 1 is because the index starting from 0, right? And the target is starting from 1 always, right? So if you didn't assign, if you already assigned the target, right? If you already assigned a target, so which is not null, you will just have to return dp target. And every single time the iteration, you have to assign the target to the count, right? And then you will just return count, and this will be it. So let me run it. Oh, I made a typo. And I submit. Here we go. So the time and space is pretty efficient, to be honest. So let me quickly talk about the time and space complexity. So for the time that you have to traverse every single one of it, right? And it should be all of n at least. And then based on the target, you have to know how many times you have to iterate, right? So it should be all of t as well. So time, so n times t, and then this will be the time, and for the space, it's going to be all of t. So let me just copy and paste for my note. So time is all of nt, space is all of t, and this will be the solution. And if you have any question, leave a comment below, and then subscribe if you want it, and I will see you next time. Bye.